Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're in the Camaro. A few months ago I bought a wireless CarPlay adapter and a wireless charger from a truck. And I've been using them for a little over 3 months now. So I like them, so I decided I'm going to put them in the Camaro. Now in order to do this, you got to have a stereo that's capable of Apple CarPlay, which I have in here. I put this in the car quite a while ago. And what it does, it comes with 2 USB ports. They're actually cables. And what I did, I run them down to here and put in a couple USB ports. This top one is for the Apple CarPlay, and this here is for charging. They'll both charge, but this here, you need this one when you plug your phone in to get Apple CarPlay to work. So that's where we're going to be plugging this in. And this here's Terran brand. It's Chinese. They're all Chinese anyway. And this is everything that comes in the box. You got your adapter, and then there's some cables. We're not going to be using the cables. So this plugs in the USB port, and it's going to end up blocking the second one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and disconnect this one here. And then I'm going to take my wireless charger, instead of running the cable down, I'm going to run it in through here and then plug it inside here. So then we'll plug this in. So we'll turn the stereo on. Okay, so you go into your Bluetooth, and it should show up as a smart device. Now this here is from the truck. I don't know if it uses the same one or not. We'll try it. No, it isn't. They're saying 724C. There it is. Okay, so we got CarPlay's working. Okay, so we got it all paired. So next thing to do is off camera, I'm going to pull this console. I'm going to get the wire for our wireless charger set up. Okay, so the wireless charger I'm putting on is a ESR, and it's a Cryo Boost car charger. Okay, so what that means is it's got a little fan in it, so it doesn't overheat when it's charging if it's a hot summer day. Okay, so we're going to use the vent mount for this car. I'm just going to put it right into here. It's got pretty good hold on it. And it's also got this here is adjustable. You can put it where you want so it doesn't flip down. Okay, so I got it all mounted. Looks like it sticks out further than the other one did for some reason. But anyway, we got it hooked up. And then we'll turn the car on and see how fast the CarPlay connects. I'll just put it in accessory mode. You can see the light here comes on. You can just take your phone, flop it on, it starts charging. So there, it's connected. Okay guys, now we get wireless charging and wireless Apple CarPlay in this 2002 Camaro. It's nice to be able to take these older cars and make them a little more modern. Anyway, I hope this video helps somebody out, and we'll catch you in the next one.